Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get paid on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account for. So log into your Squarespace account, after which you'll be able to access your dashboard right here where we can find all the websites we own and that we can access. As you can see, here's my website that I want to open up so that I can set up payments. So go ahead and open up your website right here. It's going to open up your main website where you can access all the main options such as your websites, products, content, and so on. And now we can get started setting up payments so that we can get paid. What we want to do is click the settings icon right here at the bottom of the screen at the left part. So click on settings, and this is now going to open up this new menu of all the options you can access. And what we want to do guys is to go ahead and find this option right here. This is the selling option, so go ahead and click on selling. After opening up the selling settings right here, we can see this new option of menu of options, and we can see one of the options is payments. So you want to click payments, and guys, now we can get started with updating our payment info so that we can get paid using Squarespace. You can add Stripe or PayPal or even a point of sale option if you are in the US. So you can choose any of the options right here and get started with connecting your payment options to get paid by making orders and so on. So yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.